Hello friends, how are you? And what we have today is in our mud ground. We have, as you can see, this wild animals, this farm animals, the sea animals, and this wild animals. And this giant insects. We have all these mixed animals. So let's start our video. Our first animal is, let's pick this wild animal, giraffe. Let's wash him. Giraffe is clean now. Beautiful. And we have next is this beautiful honeybee. This honeybee is very big size. Beautiful toy. Let's watch it. Honeybee is clean now. And our next animal, we have this white and big polar bear. Let's wash him. Polar bear is clean now. And next we have this lion, wild lion. Lion is clean now. And we have this ladybug, giant ladybug. Let's wash him. Ladybug is clean now. And we have next animal, this farm animal, cute goat. Goat is clean now. And next animal, we have this horse, wild animal, horse. Horse is clean now. Horse. And next animal, we have this last insect, weevil. Let's wash him. Weevil is clean now. And next animal, we have this wild zebra. Big size of this zebra. Let's wash it. Zebra is clean now. And our next animal, we have this desert animal, camel. Let's wash it. Camel is clean now. And our next animal, we have this farm animal, rooster. Beautiful rooster. And rooster give us a morning call. Let's wash. Rooster is clean now. And we have 3 last sea animals. And this shark. Let's wash him. Shark. Clean now. We have this crocodile. Let's wash him. Crocodile. It's clean now. We have this skirt. Let's wash him. Skirt. It's clean now.